A very warm welcome to this session of self-protection. I'm very happy that you could join on such a short notice. So though I've sent you the audios before, let's do it. I'll guide you and let's do it together. Okay. This is for your own self-protection. If you feel sometimes tired, frustrated, you feel it's not your own energy, it's people energy, you're getting affected by people's thoughts, people's energies, people's vibrations, or some people are just sick or they are depressed, and when you come in contact with them, your auras get contaminated. As you are getting affected by viruses and bacteria, you are affected by people's thoughts and vibrations also. This is the reason you need to protect, we all need to protect our auras, right? So this is very important since you are now attuned for Reiki, and it is very important that you learn to protect your own aura and mark your own personal space, as you said in the group that you need to mark your space. Okay, so close your eyes, a very short process. Let's do it quickly. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath and exhale with your mouth open. Take another deep breath, hold, and exhale. Do it very, very slowly. One more time, take one more deep breath and exhale the remaining stress out of your system. Now take your attention to the star high up in the sky. As you always do, it's a night sky and there are stars twinkling. And we quickly make connection with one of the brightest stars, which is your own soul star. The light is coming from this star up till your crown chakra, 6 inches above your crown chakra, and it makes a circle around you. Some of the light penetrates inside your body through your crown chakra, and it just covers your body with this soothing, divine white light. The light is continuously coming from this star. It stays here, makes a circle around you, and inside this circle of light and your body, there is this fluid as the baby is in the mother's womb, covered by the fluid and protected by the fluid. So you're protected in divine mother's womb, protected by this divine white light. You can do it as quick as you can call light and see yourself covered, or if you want, you may take little long and stay with this process. It is all up to you. You can just do it in 30 seconds also. If you are in a hurry, you can just do it in 30 seconds. See that you're safe and protected. For some people who are very, very logical, it is necessary to find out where the lights are joining. They see there's a joint and maybe something will leak from here. So for those who think like that, see there is a lock here and nothing can go inside from this joint. This is sealed properly. Whatever it takes to make this circle very, very strong, or see this, this joint safe and secure, do it. If you want to put some kind of gum or some kind of liquid or tape or lock or zip, whatever feels necessary in your head, do it, and see that this is sealed and you are safe and protected inside of this. This is a very, very soothing, divine experience. You can do it as many times as you want in a day. The best time to do is as soon as you wake up from your bed, protect yourself. Second best time is when you go have your bath. If you're having a bath with salt water, fine. Otherwise, if you're having your normal bath, quickly as you're taking your shower, see you're protected. Okay, if you attach this to some your any of your day-to-day activity, you will not forget to protect yourself. And before sleeping, before going to bed, also you need to protect yourself, because you don't have to leave your thoughts and your auric energy unattended and ignored. Sometimes in our sleep, in our dreams, we have very, very bad dreams. So it is better to keep ourselves protected when we sleep. So this is a very short, quick process. Quickly rub your hands, open your eyes, thank yourself, thank the divine energies, and this is all. If you have any question, then please do ask. I already shared in audios what you have to do, who all can do this, anybody and everybody. But right now, you cannot protect others, because as you've learned only self-healing method, and we have to follow the protocol. So in Reiki level 1, we don't try to protect others and we don't try to heal others, because that is where it's possibility that you will get affected by their energies. So you're not strong enough right now at the vibrational level, right? So if you all want to sometimes heal and protect others, then let me know. I'll tell you there's a process. Yes, if you suddenly meet people, negative people, and you know they suddenly come to your house, as you're opening the door, you may protect yourself. As you're receiving the call, you may protect yourself. Okay, this is the process. So any other question? If you want to heal and if you want to protect others and heal others, then there's a process of distant Reiki, which was learned in level 2. This class I'm starting very soon. It is, I think, the 8th of June is Monday. Yeah. So 8th of June is Monday. So for 5 days, I will be taking this level 2 class, where you will learn to protect yourself. You will learn to clean, brush your aura. You will learn to heal others. You will learn 3 symbols. You will be attuned for level 2, and you will be able to give Reiki to people, heal their chakras, balance their chakras, and send distant Reiki, send Reiki on the photographs, send Reiki to people who are far, far away from you, send Reiki to yourself and others, where people have some kind of major diseases, which is why you come here, right? You come here for learning all of that. So you'll be able to learn that in that class. Oh, you are happy when you do it with me. Maybe that is why today I quickly called you, though it was not planned today. We had to do it on audios only. We are always happy when we are aligned to our masters. So you align to the greater master, which is Reiki. I'm just a human being like you, right? So we all have to together align ourselves to the higher energies and make world a better place. Also, whatever is going on around us, there's so much fear of this pandemic, there's so much fear everywhere. So it is better that we protect ourselves, and very soon you should be going to for the next level 2. So I've just decided to give 30% 70% discount if you are joining the level 2 class also. The class goes for 11,000, and if you are registering in 3 days, then I'll give it this class, the Reiki level 2 class, also for 70% off. Isn't it cool? If you're interested, then you can join this class also, because this is the time my heart chakra is open and I'm just giving. I know you must be feeling, one after another class, but this is the time, and there's always a mood set for certain classes. Every time you cannot teach everything, right? So my tarot batch has finished today. There was this online class going on for tarot every Sunday. Then my hypnosis batch right now is not running. So I'm just working on the coming week on EFT, if any of you have not learned, and Reiki level 2. Of course, there will be Reiki level 1 also starting very soon. Maybe some people have asked, some new students have asked for Reiki level 1. So after finishing level 1, they can also join the level 2 from it. And if any of you are interested in level 2, then you can also join. So 3300. 11,000 rupees class is going for 3300. So this is just like a, throw away sale. My only purpose is that you all please, let's all go together on this spiritual path, make world a better place. Let's carry this torch of light further and light people's lives also. We have to touch so many other lives. After level 2, I'll be pushing you to heal others, to teach others. We have to take it forward and spread it like this pandemic. We better spread better things in this world. And soon, when the light takes over, the darkness just vanishes. So you don't have to push the darkness away. You just spread more and more light, more happiness, more all this, they call it alternative system. I think one day it's going to become the mainstream system of healing. And I'm really glad so many doctors in my class are always there, because they are the true healers, because there's inside something is there in them. That's why they go towards this study of their medical sciences, because there's a healer inside of them. And in the modern time, whatever it calls for this, so they take those courses. But now doctors are understanding all of this. You can send 4012. Sorry, I didn't get what you're saying. Okay, you want to send 3301 to make it lucky 7. Okay. So whatever you want after 3300, whatever you want to make it 7, whatever you want to add 4201, whatever you want, because this is the base price I've given. So you transfer to my account. You have my number and let me know. Give me the screenshot and I'll enroll. Okay, and I'm designing this class. I'm trying to upload some videos and audios on some website where after, even if you are not in touch, you can go to that website and watch those videos. Okay, so that you don't feel that. Okay, so Amit and Meenakshi are fighting with each other because both of you have a lucky number as 7. So you were very happy with that 777 magic. So, but this time somehow number 6 came up. I don't know how. I didn't count. Okay, so whatever you want, you do it. Okay. Rakhi, you want to practice level 2? You're most welcome for level 2. But if you're going for reattunements, then it is charged. But those of my students you've already done from me and taken attunements from me, you don't need to pay for the class. But if you're taking reattunements, then you have to pay. Okay. So yes, a special offer for level 3 will also be announced very soon. Give me some time, because I'm working with Reiki level 1, 2 and EFT in the coming week. So I'll be announcing level 3 also. Also, there is another course in the streamline, which is neuro-linguistic programming and hypnotherapy also, again, because people who have done part 1 of hypnosis are wanting to do another level also. So yes, I'll be sharing everything at a very, very good price, because this is my time of sharing. And I just felt after this pandemic that, if something happens to you, in a click, everything goes to the grave with you. It's better to share before that. Okay. So that is all for today. This is all. You have to protect yourself all the time. Take it seriously. Protect yourself. And if there is any question, the class is formally ending, but the group is there. So if you have any question, any problem, then please do ask in the group. And those who missed their main sessions, I think some of you missed your main Reiki healing session. So I'll be uploading that video on YouTube. Yeah, not many people just come and watch it. I'll share the link with you, so that you go through that process with the music, everything which is there. And if you want to do it every day, then maybe download the video and do it every day with the music. And yes, I have to send you the music, I remember. So I have to make the file as a zip file and send it to you. I'll be doing it by today only, because we are finishing the class today. So it's my commitment. I'll be sending it tonight. Okay. Thank you very much for today, and stay blessed, stay protected, keep protecting yourself, keep healing yourself, because if you heal yourself, then you are a light in itself, and then there is more glow outside. Okay. And that's how we make world a better place to live. Thank you very much, and good night. Stay blessed. Take care. If any questions, then do ask.